Right here we have the mysterious mask from the Jinsha or the Sanxingdui era, the bronze human head. Wow, look at the Chinese character. It means death in English. Chinese we call it 死。我不愿意你在我近前，尽孝只愿你在民族份上尽忠。Basically, it's like the mother tell the son, I do not need the son to be beside the mom. The mom just need you to be with the army and the nation. Greetings from Chengdu, Sichuan, China. I'm today at the Sichuan Museum. Let's explore. It's a rainy day. Just entered souvenir shop. There are total of 3 floors. 1, 2, 3. I'm at the top floor, level 3. There are many galleries. Let's go. They even sell the ice cream here, $30. At level 1 now, there's some sort of war memorial museum to commemorate the 80 years history from liberation from Japan. Some of the war stuff here, the sword, the diary, and the orders. Many war heroes. All these are in the past, but their memories and the pain remains with the survivors and their families. It's like the best is no war in the future. Wow, look at this. Wow. I think it's good to visit one museum in Chengdu, at least one museum if you are in Chengdu. Otherwise, it's some kind of waste of trip. And then visit the Panda also Sanctuary. The uniform of the China commandos and their stuff here, even photographs, letters. Next, we are going inside the Sichuan ethnic culture. Oh, with the costume of the people in the mountain areas, and here there is the tribal uniforms. There's some kind of weapons here, the labor tools of the people. There's even the musical instrument. And over here we have the Qiang nationality costumes. Religious head. Now we have the costumes and now the Tibetan ornaments, leather top wood, more the leather wood, and look at the uniform. I mean the costumes. Oh, what is that? The red color stuff. Official hat with red tassel. It's getting a bit scary. This is a The great copper mask, the wood mask, and look at that. Oh. This format once again, the third floor, second and first. There's a nice cafe selling coffee and stuff. The price from 28 onwards. And you see there, wow, look at that. The lanterns, the nice dining experiences. A cup of cold water free. All you need to press the button. Alright, level 2. Let's enter the prehistoric Sichuan. Wow, a map. Wow, many stones here, guys. Okay, thank you. Oh man, this is a skull of the young Paleolithic man. So those cavemen, they actually plant some crops to survive. There's some nice houses. Let's explore the Asian Sichuan Gallery 1. And another wine vessel. If you guys enjoyed the video so far, subscribe and like so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. Oh, wow, this. Yeah, the Chengdu set. The volunteers giving some guided tours is free, but it's all in Chinese. 好，那么北方的5条道分别有哪些呢？第一条叫子午道，西安到汉中，是吧？然后第2条呢叫倘洛道，第3条高斜道，第4条你们都很熟悉，叫成都昌路道。那么最后1条呢叫 Very impressed with this big knife replica. It's now 2:15 p.m. and more people are coming. This is a nice photo taking spot, sitting on the chairs, the stairs. Okay, one thing to note for the galleries, on the right side is the exit, the left side is the entrance, so the first timer you will be like confused, but it's okay after a few times, or you can just ask the staff, then you get the hang of it. Let's explore the gallery 2 of Asian Sichuan. Oh, I like this. Look at that, man. Are these some kind of weapons? Bronze sword, bronze seal, copper coin molder, and a bronze puppet. Wow. This is the pottery walrus of the shoe and pottery figurine. Wow, and look at that. This is the pottery room. In Chinese, we call it the Tao Fang. Wow, we have the chariots and horses crossing the bridge. Nice horses. Lots of stuff here. Oh, there's even a sword making brick here, seriously. Hey, they make the pottery of the animals as well. You have the dog here, the pig, the brown pigeon, pottery pig, duck, wild goose, hen, and rooster. Pottery again, big, medium, and small. We have more bricks here. The artist is talented to be able to do these intricate carvings. If you're an art lover, you should come here. By the way, I researched there's an art museum in Chengdu. I'll be going 1 or 2 days later. Hey, this is a Yao Qian Shu, the money tree. Wow. The Guan Yu portrait there, and over here we have the puppetry, but the names and they are molded and they are drawn, designed after the big generals, the warriors in the Three Kingdoms. Remember Three Kingdoms? That this is on the left side is Guan Yu, second one is Lu Su, third is Zhou Chang, the fourth one is Kong the last one is Ma Chao or Ma Xin. They even have a series of stands for the romance of Three Kingdoms. Wow. There's a hands-on ready workshop. Take home a piece of history. Check in now and receive a set of collectible national treasure ready cut. It's a nice experience to tour the museum, and there are plenty of seats for people to rest. This should be the last exhibition at level 1. Auspicious patterns on the cultural relics of Sichuan's ethnic groups. It's really colorful from the outside, just like a temple. Oh, these are the elephants, bronze elephants. It's a fish, right? Whoa. The food also. Another shop here. Wow. Oh, look at this. They are very nice artwork just outside. Level 1. More of the artwork here. Really impressive. Most of them or all of them are from, they depict the wartime conditions, the soldiers. Wow, all these souvenirs. Let's start from Gallery 3, Asian Sichuan. There's a big map here. Wow. Wow, look at this. It looks like many Buddhist artifacts here. Look at this, the Curleon Grace figurines. 3-color Grace camel. Impression of the Sichuan Museum is very new, well maintained, and there's aircon here, very nice experience. Best of all, it's also free. There's a nice souvenir shop here. There's a restaurant selling food just at the corner.